In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files using OneDrive. Whether you're sharing a document for work or simply sending photos to family, OneDrive makes it simple and secure. Let's dive in and explore how to do it step by step. We begin our journey by heading over to the Microsoft website. This is your starting point. Once you're on the site, look for the prominent Sign In button on the page. Clicking this button is your gateway to accessing OneDrive along with the other Microsoft services. Once you hit the Sign In button, you'll need to enter the email address that's associated with your Microsoft account. It's crucial to type this in carefully to avoid any sign-in hiccups. Then, click Next to proceed. Now, we move to the familiar step of entering your password. Once you've done that successfully, click Next again. You might see a prompt asking if you'd like to stay signed in. If you're using a secure personal device, selecting Yes can make future logins more convenient since you won't need to enter your credentials every time. With that done, you're now logged in and ready to access OneDrive. From the navigation options, click on All Microsoft, then choose OneDrive. Clicking on Sign In again, you'll arrive at the OneDrive home page. This is where all your uploaded files and folders are stored securely in the cloud. The next step is to navigate through your files. Click on My Files, where your documents, photos, and folders are organized for easy access. Now, locate the file you want to share. You may need to scroll through your items to find the exact file. Once you've found it, click on the three-dot icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu, which is next to the file's name. This will reveal additional functions related to that file. From these options, select Share. You'll see a new dialog box designed specifically for file sharing. Here, the interface will prompt you to add the name, group, or email address of the person you want to share with. This feature is incredibly versatile as it allows you to share with individuals or groups, facilitating smooth collaboration. Once you've entered the necessary contact information, simply click Send. An email notification is then dispatched to the recipients, granting them access to the file. You can set permissions to either view or edit, depending on what's needed. Sharing files via OneDrive is a straightforward way to collaborate while ensuring your files are available wherever you go, as long as you're connected to the internet. Before wrapping up, always double-check the email addresses or names you've entered to avoid sharing with unintended parties. Consider the permissions you've set, whether view or edit, to keep your sharing experience both secure and convenient. By following these easy steps, you enhance productivity and manage your digital files effectively. That's all it takes. You now know how to share files on OneDrive securely and efficiently. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need a refresher on the steps.